Good morning, students. Now we will study the topic that is analogy. That is analogy, that is verbal. Now, what is the analogy over there? This is the important topic for the NTSC purpose. The NTSC purpose, the important topic is there. In analogy, what is analogy? An analogy means the similarity between like features of two things on which comparison may be based. I think the analogy based for verbal is based for the three categories. The word verbal analogy. I think word verbal analogy is type like that for the country to the capital. For the Sri Lanka, which is relation with Colombo, and the country and currency relationship, state and capital relationship, that is Maharashtra and Mumbai, and as antonyms and relationship, I think fat and thin, synonyms relationships, analogy and correlations, workers, toolships, writer and pen, word meaning relationship, it means agreement, the state of being is in accord, SI unit relationship, speed meter per second, animal child relationship, dog puppy, geographical relationship, Ganga's India, and historical relationship, Indus Valleys in Pakistan. So many verbal analogies are there. So these are the some analogies are there. You easily find the relationship between the first one, and then by finding the value of second, you apply the first one relationship. Lateral analogy, if we stated as lateral analogy, what is lateral analogy is written as if we will know for the in coding decoding, we will study the how to write the A to Z letters, HIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. So here the numbers are, I think, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26 over there. So this is the letter how we judge that. I think for judge that AP is in relation with BQ. How the AP is relationship with BQ? Because A is the relationship with the B plus 1 over there. That is the P is relationship with the Q. I think PQ plus 1 is there. So by same we will apply in the next terms over there, the given in a question, the same as it is, that is TN and SM. So it means the T2S, that is T2S, the minus 1 over there, and to M is, that is minus 1 over there. Great. So if we move from this to this side, that is plus is there. If we move this to this side, that is minus over there. If we're talking about what is the letter after Z, consider as A. If we consider as what is the letter before A, that is Z. So if we're replacing as the cat is equals to CAT equals CAT relations with 3120. So how you will verify as cat is relationship 3120? So think that the C coding is 3, A is coding as 1, T is coding as 20. So 3120 is the relation. Next letter you will easily find the what is the relation over there. Or interchanging the letter is also the type of that is PRST and TRSP. It means you have to reverse, the letter is reversed. T, the last one is the front, फिर that is this one, that is the S, and that is P. The places of the letters are changed. So these type of letter analogies is there. Now we will move to the number analogy. Number analogy is related with, I think, adding certain numbers, sum of the digits, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, as compare with 22, that is sum of the digits of the number. The sum of the digits of the number is 22, that is 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. And the next is 49 and 62. Some numbers are added, adding certain numbers over there. And 7, 8, 1, relationship 5, 7, some numbers, certain number is subtracted over there. Square and cubes over there, 8 and 27. This is the square cube of 2, and this is the cube of 3 over there. Multiplication of digit, that is 5, 3, 6, that is 90. If you multiply over there, 6 5s are 30, 3s are 90 over there. So these type of number analogies are there, so you easily find the value of second one. The first type is there, that is the question is there, so we will easily understood what is the analogy, that is long, short, and healthy. What is your answer? That is how the long is related with the short, that the healthy is related with the question is unhealthy, unhappy, stout, and unromantic. So the question is long is opposite to the short. That's it means the healthy is opposite of unhealthy. So your answer is unhealthy. It means, so you have to just compare with this one with this, and next just you have to apply the relationship over there. So just we have to find the relationship over there for the first to second, and same relationship we have to apply it over there also, students. So second type of that is the question is, that is school teacher. What is your answer? The question is there, how the teacher is related to the school. So that's why the options are hospital and doctor, home and children, driver and car and mechanic. A teacher is teacher in a school. Similarly, doctor treated patient in a school. So answer is hospital and doctor is your answer. So the type 3 is there, I think so. The question is 5, 7, 8, 9 is 2. If 5, 7, 8, 9 is 2, 29, then 6, 8, 4, 3 is 2. 5, 7, 8, 9 is to 29. So how we can say that 8, 6, 4, 3 is 2? It means the 5 with added with 7, with added with 8, added with 9, we get 29 students. So 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3, we get 21 students. So this is your answer, 21. I am repeating again, the 5 is added with 7 and added with the 8, then added with the digits plus 9, we get 28. So similarly we get over there 8 plus 4 plus 3, 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3, we get it 21. So 21 is your answer, students. So these type of questions are over there. I am explaining the one certain question over there, students. The question is, Ram is related to Ayodhya, and similarly Krishna is related to, options are Dwarka, Mathura, Vrindavan and Govardhan. The answer is there, but that is Mathura, because the relationship of here is to God and the birthplace. The Ram is birthplace, the birthplace of Ram is Ayodhya, so that's why the birthplace of Krishna is Mathura. The green and Pakistan, and red is, the green is related to Pakistan. It means the relationship of the country with the flag. The flag color of the Pakistan is green, so that's why the red color of the flag of which country? That is China. So answer is China. Carrot, root and tomato, the relationship with the carrot with the root is, the relationship here is to the eatable and what part of the plant it is. And the carrot is for the root. It means the carrot is eatable thing for the root. The carrot is of the root plant, and tomato is the fruit of the plant. Hence the option is C, that is fruit. That is, the question is 968528, that is 11987 is related with the questions. So I think the relationship with the digits, that the digits of the number have been summed up. It means if we added 9, 6, 8 and 5, we get 28. So we added with the 11987, we get it, I think B, that is 26. We have to add the 9, 6, 8 and 5, or here we have to add the 11987, we get 26 students. So the one question is also there, that is 78650 is relationship the 495. What is the relation? So the relationship here is that the first and the last digits have multiplied and the middle is added to the product. It means if the 7 is multiplied by the 6, 7 6 are 42 plus 8, that is 50. Here also this we have to apply the same method. What is the method, students? If we add the first and the last digit of the number 7 into 6 and added 8, we get 50. So here also if we multiply the 4 and 5 and get it added with the 9, 5 4s are 20 and we get it with the 9, we get 29 over there. So our answer is 29, students. So the next is next type of questions are, I think I hope you all are understood these type of questions of analogy. We will move to the question number 6, students, that is 218, 436 and 528. So what is your answer, student? Relationship here is that. What is the relationship over there? That is how the 218 is related with the 436. Because if we multiply by 218 added with the 218, we get, I think, 436. Or what is your answer, student? 528 we get it. With the 528 we can't find the answers over there. If we get it over there, that is 1256, 5510, 5510, or that is 1056. But this is not in our option. So in this question, that is 212 is added over there. So similarly 212 is added over there also. That is 218 is added over there. So we get our answer is 746. 746 is the answer. If the second answer is also there for this question, so if the option is there, this is the answers over there. This may be answers over there, but here the 1256 is there. But your answer is there if added the same number with the same number, we get the 1056. But here the answer is 746. So now we will move to the question number 7, students. The question number, what is the question number 7, students? That is rat was related with SCW and MIC, mice with related with dash. So now the relationship here is the R is replaced with the next letter and the A is replaced with the next letter, T is replaced to the letter with the 3. So it means the R is related with the S. If we think that is our ABCD over there. NOP QRSTUVWXY and Z. By the writing that is ABCD, you easily find easily solve the question. The R is related with the S. That is R is related with the S. We get the +1. A is related with the +2. T is related with the W. That is I think +3. 1, 2, 3. So the same is there. The M is related with the this is the +1. That is N. and I is related with, that is plus 2, I with this related to plus 2, that is K, and C is related with the plus 3, 1 2 3, that is F, and E is related with that plus 4 is getted E, 1 2 3 4, that is I. Now answer is N K F I is your answer, students. So this is your answer. How we will get that what is your answer, students? First we will judge that how the red is related with the SQW or how the SQW is related with the RAT. The first R is there compare with the S, that is plus 1, A is related with the C, that is plus 2, T is related with W, that is plus 3. Same applies over there, plus 1 with the M, I get N, plus 2 with the I, we get K, plus 3 with the C, that is F, plus 4 we get with the E, that is I. So your answer is NKFI, students. So NKFI is your answer, students. Now we will move to the question number, that is 8, that is P, question number 8, students, that is PRICE, price is related with the OQHBD, and how STROM is related with. So you easily find how the relationship is with done, that is P is related with O. How the P is related with the O, that is minus 1. So we written over there minus 1. R is related with the Q. R is related with the Q, that is minus 1. I is with the H. I is with the H, that is minus 1. C is with the B, minus 1. E with the D, minus 1. All terms are for the E with the D, minus 1. So here the S with the minus 1 over there, that is R. T with the minus 1, that is S. R with the minus 1, that is Q. O with the minus 1, that is N. M is the minus 1, that is L. Your answer is R, S, Q and L, students. So I am repeating again, here the price is related with the O, Q, H and B. How this two term is related? Because the P is related with the O, that is minus 1, that is P. O is before P. R, so Q is before R, one place. H is before I, one place. B is before C, one place. D is before E, one place. So minus 1 was there. So in strong minus 1, all minus 1 are there. So the answer is R, S, Q and L. So all our depends upon the options over there. So the answer is D. So the next question is, that is WATCH, watch is related with the 55, and how time is related with the TIME is related with the. So now I think so this is a number with the alphabet with the numbers we get, that is W is the coding is, if we written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 and 26. So W is coding with the 23, A is coding with the 1, T is the coding with the 20, C is the coding with the 3, H is the coding with the 8. If we add it over there, I think we get 55. 23, 23 1 24 or 8, that is 3 3 6 3 8 11 12 or 3 15 5 2 3 so 2 or 2 4 or 2 1 5 55 with there some added. 23 we added 23 we added 20, got 43 we added, that is 12, that is 55. So here the same is there, that is T, the code is 20, I with the coded with the 9, M with the coded with the 13, E with the coded with the 5. So the next type of question is also there for that. Now if the T is there, the T coded not this must be that is 20, it may be 7 opposite to the T. U is the code is opposite to the U, that is 6. So if we add it over there, that is 20 or 9 29, 13 and 5. that is 9 और 3 कितना 12, that is 12 और 5 17 और 1 2 1 4 और 2 और 1 3 और 1 4 47. So your answer should be 47 students. So this type of questions maybe are coming, maybe are there for the in analogy. I am just sending you the PDF for the questions. Just you have to read the questions and do the questions carefully. And next I will post the analogy non-verbal things. Non-verbal is there. So now we will non-verbal is there. So just see the video and do the questions of analogy. Thank you so much, students.